Hello, children. In this class, we are going to start a new chapter, a poem actually, and the name of the poem is The Curious Panda. So, let's start.
The Curious Panda. The pandas all have rings of black around their eyes, you know. Can you guess how they got them? Well, many years ago, a panda was so nosy that he had to peep and pry. And he looked through someone's keyhole when the paint was not quite dry. Around each eye, he had a ring of sparkling, fresh black paint. And all the other pandas thought that he looked very quaint. They lined up by the hundreds to peer through the same crack to copy him, and that is why they all have rings of black.
The pandas all have rings of black around their eyes. You know, can you guess how they got him? Got them? Okay, you all know what she can see panda in the pictures or in the TV. They all have black rings around their eyes. You can notice how they got these marks. Can you guess? Let's see how they got this mark. Many years ago, there is a panda who was very nosy, and he had to peep and pray. Nosy means uh, he is very curious to other people's business, and that's why he peeped through other people's keyhole. অনেক দিন আগে একটা প্যান্ডা ছিল এবং সেই প্যান্ডাটা কি করত, সে অন্যরা কি করত তার সেই বিষয়ে খুব কিউরিয়াস ছিল, তার খুব জানার ইচ্ছা ছিল। সেই জন্য সে অন্যরা কি করছে সেটা দেখার জন্য যে কি হোল থাকে সেই কি হোল দিয়ে উঁকি মারত। Now one day he was trying to see something through the keyhole, but the paint of the keyhole not quite dry. That's why when he try to look through the keyhole, a paint a black paint a black ring of sparkling fresh paint uh, all around his eyes. একদিন সে কি করলো, একটা বাড়িতে ওই কি হোল দিয়ে দেখতে গেল, কিন্তু কি হোলের যে রং করা ছিল সেটা ভালো করে শুকোয়নি, ড্রাই হয়নি। তাই যখন দেখতে গেল তখন যে কি হোলের যে কালো রংটা ছিল সেটা তার চোখের চারিপাশে লেগে গেল। When the other panda saw the panda and he have a black ring around his eyes, they considered it very attractive and different, and they also wanted to look like him. এরপর যখন অন্য পান্ডারা সেই পান্ডাটিকে দেখলো, তাদের সেই চোখের কালো চারিপাশে কালো রংটা তাদের খুব ভালো লাগলো, তারাও ওই পান্ডাটার মতন হতে চাইলো। So they lined up by hundreds, and they also peeped through that keyhole, which is not so dry, and copy all copy each another. So that's how the pandas have black ring all around their eyes. এইভাবে তারা কি করলো, তারা সবাই হাজারের শয়ে শয়ে লাইন দিয়ে সেই একই জিনিস করতে লাগলো, মানে সেই কি হোল দিয়ে সবাই দেখতে লাগলো এবং সবারই চোখে কালো রং লেগে গেল। এইভাবেই পান্ডাদের চোখে কালো রং এসেছে। Okay, let's start the exercise. The first one, comprehension. Answer these questions. Okay, some questions are here. The first question is, what did the nosy panda do and why? The nosy panda peeped through someone's keyhole because he was very curious. Next question, what happened to him? He got black ring around his eyes. Next, why did the other pandas copy him? The other pandas copied him because they found him different and attractive. Next, find words in the poem that rhyme with these words. Okay, some words are given here and you have to find the words from the poem that rhymes with the given words. The first one is mess, mess with rhymes with guess, cozy, nosy, try, pry, string, ring, fought, thought, dear, peer, track, crack, fall, all. Next, grammar fun. I am okay, some two sentences are given here. First one is, I am going to draw a panda. I don't know how to draw an elephant. Okay, you see these words, I apostrophe m or don apostrophe t. These are called contraction. These are two words together, and if we join together, it is look like that. When two words are joined together by leaving out one or more letters, the new word is called contraction. This is called contraction. We use apostrophe in the place of the missing letters. I will, I haven't, didn't, can't, she's, isn't, and aren't are some example of contraction. These are all are example of contraction. Okay, fill the missing words. I fill all the boxes. The first one, I plus am is equal to I am. He plus is equal to he is. Like that, can plus not, can't, have plus not, haven't, see plus is, sees, is plus not, isn't. Next, okay, a writing is given here. You have to write what you have to imagine first what the pandas are talking together and fill the bubbles. Okay, students, that's all for now. This is the last video before our unit test 2. Prepare well for your exam. Thank you.